So TikTok is banned in India and many new users not been able to download it from Play Store or from the App Store. But there's a simple trick which I'm going to explain right now in this video. So watch this video till the end so you know that how you can download the newly launched app or the new updated version of the TikTok in your phone. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji. So let's get started with the video. So I hope you will like this video. Even though banning of the app has happened in India, but this simple trick can save you for the day. So let me just switch it to my mobile screen right now. So to download the TikTok without even Play Store or App Store, what you need to do? You need to open your Chrome browser. Once you open the Chrome browser, you need to search over here, download TikTok. And over here on the top you will be able to see the APK link. Let me just click over here and over here just press download. So here it will give a warning, just press OK. Once you press the OK, it will just download your file over here. Here are all the details. As you can see, my file is getting downloaded. As soon as it gets downloaded, I can simply install into my phone and still able to use the TikTok. The new users can join in very easily. Let me just show you over here. So let me just press install. Now it's installing. Just remember to press that. You can now install the unversion, or you can say the unverified any kind of app without any Play Store into your phone. You need to check that settings and you'll be able to install any TikTok app or any other app over here. Because its server is not been banned in India, just the download is banned from the Play Store and from the App Store, but still you can download this without any sort of problem just using the APK file. Now you can see that app is installed. Let me just open it and see my TikTok recently launched, newly launched app, or you can say newly launched install has been done over here. So how simple it was. So see how simple it was to download new kind of app or new kind of updated version of the TikTok right now on your phone. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do share it with your other TikTok users or the new users who want to join the TikTok and want to make their career on the TikTok. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I see you all in the next one.